Hello friends, so if you really want to change your life financially, you really need to start understanding what AI is. You really need to learn about AI. And I'm going to show you very simple method because these methods that I learned about AI, they have transformed my life in a very good way. And back then I didn't know how to use AI. It was very unnecessary for me to learn about AI, but I came to understand about AI later last year, and it has changed my life in a very good way. So I want you to listen to me very carefully so that if you never take your time understanding about AI, maybe today is the best way for you to start understanding about AI and how you can start making money. A lot of people right now, they are just go on AI tools and they're asking different questions just for funny. They're not making even sense from AI. At the same time, there are other people, they're building their business, they're making daily incomes using AI, and they're making reasonable amount of money. I've seen other people making up to $10,000 every month by using AI tools. So I want to be really honest, and I will also share with you like how much I made so far using AI. And I'm gonna be very honest with you and transparent. And in this video, I will show you best AI tools to make money in 2026. And all these tools are ranked for beginners and serious hustles. If you really want to make money, this video is for you. So right now, let's start with our first AI. Our first AI is called Cloud. I can say that this is the best AI tool that most of my work depend on this AI, and I can say that for now, if you ask me what is better between ChatGPT and Cloud, I can say that I was once using ChatGPT like on my day-to-day task, but right now I switched up to Cloud, and I came to realize like Cloud is a very best AI tool that I can recommend for you to start to using this Cloud. So if you just use ChatGPT, I want you to switch a little bit and start using Cloud to ask about the different business ideas. So right now I'm gonna show you here, like I'm gonna ask Cloud, hey Cloud, I need to find something to do and change my life in the next 12 months. Please give me best business ideas that I can start with. This business idea, I need to make at least $1,000 a month. Also, you can see here, Crowd is gonna give me a business plan for 12 months to come, and it's gonna be really amazing. And I want you to do the same as well. You need to ask Cloud to give your best business idea, and you're gonna be wondering how Cloud works. So other thing about Cloud is that if you have any research that you need to submit, you need to go ahead and you need to ask a Cloud to write for you the good research. You can see, and there are other people right now, they are helping people to do their research, and they're charging them up to $500 just by one research. So you can start helping these university students writing their researches, and you need to charge them at least $300 up to $500. I have this friend of mine last year, she got charged more than $500 just by one research. So you need to ask a crowd to help you to write different research, and it can really help you. But also cloud can really help you if you're providing consulting services. Cloud can be there for you to help you in a very good way. So right now, let's go to our next platform that is really going to change your life. Our next platform is called Canva, and is actually unbelievable the opportunity that you can find on Canva. And as you can see here, this platform, you can learn how to design thumbnails, you can learn how to design posters, you can learn how to design social posts, and start using Canva, and you can charge people just by providing these more services. I'm going to show you example. There are other people right now, they are buying thumbnails for $15 per one thumbnail. So if you really know how to design good thumbnails on Canva, you can start selling these thumbnails to different YouTube creators, and they are willing to buy these thumbnails because they can't waste their time to edit the thumbnails and all that. So if you're really good at that, you need to use Canva to design thumbnails. Then you have to go to Fiverr. You need to find these customers, clients on Fiverr. People will come and look for you to design their thumbnails, and you need to use this Canva to edit good thumbnails. So the other way that you can start making money is that CapCut AI. If you are a content creator, the only way for you to to start making money is that you need to have good videos, right? And for you to have good videos, you need to have this tool that is very good at editing your videos, and it doesn't take like enough of your time. So you need to use CapCut AI if you're a creator to simplify your work in a very good way. To produce good video, you need to use CapCut AI, and this is an AI tool that is coming more and more common in this year. There are a lot of creators that are using this to edit for their TikTok videos, YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels. They are using CapCut AI to simplify. Also, the good thing about CapCut AI, you can find these captions. Captions are going to be auto-generated on a video. This one is very good way not to waste your time. You can potentially increase your income using CapCut AI. So this is an AI tool that you really need to understand, especially this year, 2026, Midjourney AI. This can be really best for you to start making money. So how are you going to make money using this platform? You need to go to this platform and you need to create a nice image like this. You can start selling these images. So this platform is very special to design or create images, right? And if you create an amazing image, you can either download this image, you can print this image, and you can start selling this image for $20 up to $50. There are a lot of amazing images. There are arts image, and right now in a very good houses they need images to put on their walls. So you need to come up with these ideas. You need to come up with these good images about nature. It can be food images. You need to create using this AI tool, which is called Midjourney. Then you need to sell these images to your clients. It can be online selling, also it can be physically selling, and you can make reasonable amount of money. So you can try among of these methods and you can see which method works for you better. This is our last website, which is called 11 Lab, and on this platform is gonna help you to design, to create good voiceover for your project.
Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that brings total obliteration.
Well, well, look what we have here. A ranger caught off his guard. So what do you plan to do with that sword?
Hey guys, use this voice to express excitement, describe a promo, engage with a craftsman under.
There are a lot of companies right now, they need voiceover person that can help on their different projects. It can be advertising projects. So you need to use this 11 Lab to create any voice that you want to advertise different things about a given company. So if you're going to offer these services to different companies using these AI voices to advertise their products and all that, you need to use 11 Lab, because 11 Lab is a best website. You can choose different voices. It can be female voices, it can be male voices, and you can start making money just by doing that. So this voiceover that you design, it can be used on ads, advertisement. Also it can be used on your audiobook. You need to see like what is the best voiceover you need to use and start making money. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you are going to try all of these AI tools. You're going to start making money just by using AI tools. I'm not promising that you can make this amount of money, but if you are going to follow this method and you are going to be patient, because it's going to take some time. You're not going to make money overnight. It can take 2 months for you to master these AI tools and start providing these services. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye bye.